Where are you? Where are you? Ki kote ou ye? Ki kote ou ye? Where were you? Where were you? Ki kote ou te ye? Ki kote ou te ye? Where will you be? Where will you be? Ki kote ou pral ye? Ki kote ou pral ye?
What do you say? What do you say? Ki sa ou di? Ki sa ou di? What did you say? What did you say? Ki sa ou te di? Ki sa ou te di? Where is it? Where is it? Ki kote li ye? Ki kote li ye? I don't see it. I don't see it. Mwen pa we li. Mwen pa we li. What do you mean? What do you mean? Ki sa ou vle di? Ki sa ou vle di? I want to speak English. I want to speak English. Mwen vle pale anglais. Mwen vle pale anglais. I need you. I need you. Mwen bezwen ou. Mwen bezwen ou. I can't understand you. I can't understand you. Mwen pa ka kompran ou. Mwen pa ka kompran ou. The sky is blue. The sky is blue.
Ciel la ble. Ciel la ble.
I remember everything. I remember everything. Mwen sonje tout bagay. Mwen sonje tout bagay. Do you need water? Do you need water? Est-ce que ou bezwen de l'eau? Est-ce que ou bezwen de l'eau? I was there. I was there. Mwen te la. Mwen te la. I'm there. I'm there. Mwen la. Mwen la. I will be there. I will be there. Map la. Map la. Give me my money. Give me my money. Bam kob mwen. Bam kob mwen. For what? For what? Pou ki sa? Pou ki sa?
Where are you going? Where are you going? Ki kote ou prale? Ki kote ou prale? I'm going to school. I'm going to school. Mwen prale l'école. Mwen prale l'école. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. Mwen ale l'école chaque jour. Mwen ale l'école chaque jour. I'm going to the church. I'm going to the church. Mwen pou ale l'église. Mwen pou ale l'église. I go to the church every Sunday. I go to the church every Sunday. Mwen ale l'église chaque dimanche. Mwen ale l'église chaque dimanche. I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store. Mwen pou ale nan magazin. Mwen pou ale nan magazin. I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market.
Mwen pou ale nan mache ya. Mwen pou ale nan mache ya.
I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the beach.
Mwen pou ale nan plaj la. Mwen pou ale nan plaj la.